Hello, good day, everyone. Um, I'm actually here to give us some rundown on what biomedical engineering is all about. I know it's been quite a while. Been working on real lots of stuff, but I actually dedicated today to want to put us through on some core areas in biomedical engineering, specifically the core duties of a biomedical engineer. To start with, what is a biomedical engineer meant to do? Now, biomedical engineering combines engineering principles with medical and biological science, to design, create equipment and devices, as well as compute systems and software, that are vital in healthcare for optimal performance. That's what biomedical engineering all about. Now, what are some of the core duties of a biomedical engineer? Now, the core duties of a biomedical engineer, they actually ranges from one to another, but the main ones are the ones I'm going to point out to us right now. So I would love us to pay attention closely. Now, the first core duty of a biomedical engineer involves designing a biomedical equipment or devices, such as artificial internal organs, replacement for body parts, and machines for diagnosing medical problems. That's the core, one of the core duties. I repeat that again. Because of time, I would just want to speed up. One, they design medical equipment and devices such as artificial internal organs, replacements for body parts, and machines for diagnosing health problems. Then, secondly, they install, adjust, and also maintain and repair or provide technical support for medical equipment. For example, this medical equipment you're seeing here, it's the core duty of a biomedical engineer to, install it, adjust, maintain, repair, and provide technical support where necessary. Then the third one is to evaluate the safety and the efficiency and effectiveness of a biomedical equipment, which is very, very important for safety reasons. You could be in a facility, let's say a diagnostic center where X-ray machine is to be installed. As a biomedical engineer, you're expected to ensure that the environment is actually lead line to avoid exposure of X-ray radiations to the people around. Very important. So they evaluate safety and efficiency, effectiveness of a biomedical equipment. Then the fourth one is that they train clinicians and other personnel, on the proper use of biomedical equipment. Truth be told, doctors, clinicians, nurses, they weren't trained to use equipment. They learn their crafts to treat patients. So it's the duty of biomedical engineers to educate them and train them on how best to properly use this equipment in order not to cause any hazards to their patient in the course of treatment. So the fifth one is that they make research. They research in the engineering aspects of biological system of humans, and animals with life scientists and other medical, scientists as well. So it's also a duty of a biomedical engineer to, research alongside with, medical scientists to also get some new ways of handling some medical cases. Then the sixth one is that they prepare procedure or they write technical reports and they publish research papers and make recommendations based on their research findings. As a biomedical engineer, you're expected to write, you know, technical report, procedure report where necessary, especially about a particular equipment or procedure and all of that. Then the last one that we'll be considering for today, it's they prepare research findings. They present research findings rather, to scientists and even non-scientists, clinicians and hospitals and management and other engineers and colleagues and the public as well. That's to say, the biomedical engineer it does not stop with just installing equipment and repairing equipment. You also present research findings, some findings you've made concerning a particular equipment, how best it could it could handle the health problem of patients effectively and efficiently. You present it, you teach the public about it, you teach clinicians about it, you teach you know other engineers, your colleagues as well, about it. So for today, that's what we'll be rounding up with. I want to encourage all upcoming biomedical engineers to take the field very serious. There are lots more to learn and to gain from the biomedical engineering field. I encourage you to be at your best. Keep learning and keep improving your skills. Thank you so much. Do have a nice day.